Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right tools. Pick 3-5 brushes, round for detail, flat for edges, filbert for blends. Synthetic works best for acrylics. Check the ferrule for looseness and remove stray hairs. This prevents stray strokes. Once done, soak new brushes briefly in water to loosen sizing and shape the tip with your fingers and a tissue. Make sure to label sizes if you mix sets, because consistent brush choice speeds decisions and improves control. As you begin painting, you now learn how to load and control paint for predictable strokes. Put color on a palette and thin with about 10–20% water, or use an acrylic medium for longer open time. Thinning prevents drag. Load the brush to about 1/3 to 1/2 of the bristles so paint flows yet retains spring. Once loaded, use wrist rotation and varied pressure to adjust line width, and hold the brush at roughly 10 to 45 degrees for glazes versus crisp edges. This gives both control and expressiveness. You finish sessions by cleaning and storing brushes correctly to prolong life. Rinse thoroughly until water runs clear, use a gentle soap to remove binder, then reshape the tip and lay brushes flat to air dry. Short term, you can stand them upright but avoid water in the ferrule. Once dry, store in a roll or box to protect tips. If brushes stiffen, soak briefly in a brush cleaner. Do not use hot water, and work the bristles gently to restore flexibility. This prevents permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.